Good morning, 8th class students. We are going to discuss about Pythagorean triplets. What is the meaning of Pythagorean triplets? Like a comma b comma c are positive integers. A comma b comma c are positive integers. If a square is equal to b square plus c square, if a square is equal to b square plus c square, it means square of one number is equal to sum of the squares of the another two numbers. Then a comma b comma c are called Pythagorean triplets. Example. Here I took three numbers 3, 4, 5. What I am doing here? 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. 5 square means 25. 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. So 25 is equal to 25. Here 3, 4, 5 are satisfied the rule of Pythagoras. So 3, 4, 5 are called Pythagorean triplets. Let's see more examples. Check whether following numbers form Pythagorean triplets. First question 6, 10, 8. Second question 15, 12, 5. Let's take the first question. Here 6, 10, 8. In this, what is the larger number? Okay. 10 is a larger number. So 10 square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square. 10 square means 10 into 10. 6 square means 6 into 6. 8 square means 8 into 8. 10 times are 100. 6 6 are 36. 8 8 are 64. So 100 is equal to 100. Here 6, 10, 8 are Pythagorean. Triplets. What about second question? Second question is 15, 12, 5. In this, what is the larger number? 15. So 15 square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. 15 square means 15 into 15. 12 square means 12 into 12. Plus 5 square means 5 into 5. Let 15 15 are 225 is equal to 12 12 are 144 plus 5 5 are 25. 225, 269. These are not equal. So these 15, 12, 5 not satisfied Pythagorean triplets rule. So given numbers are not a Pythagorean triplets. Okay? What is the rule? Let a comma b comma c are positive integers. If a square is equal to b square plus c square, then a comma b comma c are called Pythagorean triplets. Here is some examples on this concept. So, students, here is another concept from the square and cube numbers. numbers between successive square numbers. For example, let n square and n plus 1 whole square, n square and n plus 1 whole square are successive square numbers. For example, find the numbers between 2 square and 3 square. Between 2 square and 3 square. Solution. For example, 2 square and 3 square both are the successive square numbers. 2 square and 3 square. What is the formula? Numbers between successive square numbers, that is n square and n plus 1 whole square are 2n. What is the meaning of n? 2 square comma 3 square, 2 are given. What is the meaning of n? N is equal to base of first number. What is the meaning of n? N is equal to base of first number. Here, what is the base of first number? 2. So, what is the formula here? 2n. 2n means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So, there are 4 numbers between 2 square and 3 square. There are 4 numbers between 2 square and 3 square. Let's do verification. 2 square means 2 square comma. What is the meaning of 2 square? 4. 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Required numbers. What are the numbers? 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Total how many are there? 4 are there. So to find the numbers between two successive square numbers, what is the formula? 2n. What is the meaning of n? N is nothing but base of first number. So students, here some more questions on this concept. How many numbers lie between the square of the following numbers? So what is the first pair? 24 comma 25. Solution. It means 24 whole square and 25 whole square. So between these two numbers you have to find how many numbers are there. To find the number of numbers we have one formula. Number of numbers between two successive numbers, successive square numbers. Formula is 2n. What is the meaning of n? N is nothing but base of the first number. Number of numbers between 24 whole square and 25 whole square are formula 2n. N means base of the first number. Here what is the base of the first number? 24. So it is 2 into 24. 48. So there are 48 numbers between 24 square and also 25 square. Similarly, second question. Find the numbers between 10 comma 11. 10 comma 11. Same solution. Same process. 10 square and 11 square. Number of numbers between 10 square and 11 square is equal to 2n. What is the meaning of n? N is equal to base of the first number. Here what is the base of the first number? 10. So 2 into 10 is equal to 20. There are 20 numbers between 10 square and 11 square. Students, Here another question. Find the square root of 1296 by using prime factorization method. Solution. Now only we discussed. First, what is the number 1296? This 1296 you have to divide as a prime factors. 1296. 2 6 are, 2 4 are, 2 8 are, 2 3 are, 2 2 are, 2 4 are, 2 1 are, 2 1 remain 12, 2 6 are, 2 2 are, 2 8 are, 2 1 are. 81 is not going into table. So let's move to 3 table. 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 1296 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make them into pair. What is the pair here? This 2 into 3 is one pair. Next 2 into 3. Next 2 into 3. Next 2 into 3. So here there are total 4 pairs. Now I need square root of 1296 is equal to under root of 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So out of that 4 pairs I am taking 2 pairs. 2 into 3, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So square root of 1296 is 36.